Welcome back to Ctube channel. Today we introduce PPR pipes. PPR stands for polypropylene random copolymer, a type of thermoplastic material specially developed for piping applications. PPR pipes are mainly used in hot and cold water supply systems in residential buildings, commercial facilities, and industrial projects. PPR pipes are connected by heat fusion. The pipe and fittings are heated and then fused together to form a strong joint. This process creates a strong connection that is highly resistant to leaking. In addition, PPR pipes offer excellent corrosion resistance, high temperature tolerance, and good chemical stability. Ctube provides high-quality PPR pipes available in both 2-layer and 3-layer structures, with options such as antibacterial and thermal insulation performance to meet different project requirements. Thanks for watching. If you have project requirements, feel free to contact us.